Dear law student, I'm going to share with you what is 10 times more important to a potential employer than where you went to law school. My name is Marco Brown. I own Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City. And the thing that's 10 times more important than where you went to law school, which is really not that important at all, is your ability to make your employer money. Okay? Because at the end of days, when you get hired at a law firm, they want you to take care of their clients and they want you to make them money. Okay, so if you can show that you are competent, right, and good at what you do, and that's usually grades, not where you went to law school, it's usually grades, and that you have the ability to make that employer money, that's what they want to know. Okay, so this is how you do that. First, you know how to sell and close clients. If you can come in with the skill to sit down with a potential client in a consultation and sell that client, get them to emotionally trust you and like you, and then close that client, which is get them to give you money by overcoming objections and so on, that is amazingly valuable, and no one has that skill coming out of law school. So if you do have that skill coming out of law school, like that, and you communicate that to potential employers, that is a big deal, like very big deal. You don't think it is, it's incredibly important. Okay, so know how to sell and close. And then have a marketing plan specific to the law firm you are interviewing with. Okay, so what you do is you go research that law firm, like we just do family law, okay, divorces, child custody cases, okay? So if you were to come in here and interview with me, you would know that. You would know our social media, you would know what we do, how we do it, because you've done your homework, and then you're gonna come in with ideas to market that to potential clients to get us more clients. Okay, now let's say that you're totally wrong about everything in the marketing plan, okay? The fact that you put together a marketing plan and tried is what's going to be important to your potential employer, okay? That you took the time to do that and you have the gumption to do that, and you can couple that with, hey, I can sit down with clients in a consultation and sell them and close them, money. Okay, that is super impressive, okay? So don't sweat the fact that you might be wrong about the marketing plan. It's that you have a marketing plan, okay? Make it a page, say, hey, look, I did some research on you, I did some research on the market, this is how I think you can increase market share, bring more clients in, make more money, super impressive, okay? And then have a network. So networking is really the best way to get a job out of law school anyway. But if you have a network and you can tell a potential employer about your network, like I know these attorneys, I have spent this much time getting to know them, I've already kind of greased the wheels on referrals here and so on and so forth. Again, incredibly impressive because that just means money. Because the best referrals we ever get as attorneys come from other attorneys, okay? So if you have a network of attorneys in the geographic area, and you can kind of parlay that with your potential employer and they think that that's going to bring in clients, then, that's incredible, okay? So put those three things together and that puts you head and shoulders above everybody else. Now, I'm going to tell you, this takes work, okay? These are things that your law school will never, ever teach you. Your law school will never teach you how to sell. They will never teach you how to close. They will never teach you how to market. There was like one class in there that kind of teach you how to market stuff, but all of them suck anyway. Like if they were great marketers, they wouldn't be law professors, let's put it that way. And then, they're not going to teach you how to have networks. You got to figure this stuff out. So if you need any help doing that, message me. I'll help you however I can. I have lots of other videos on those subjects, but you need to start working right now. If you're a 1L, you need to start working on this stuff right now, especially your network, and really build it out, okay? And build up these skills because lawyering is thinking like a lawyer and helping your clients, but it's also this business stuff, okay? And especially if you want to get a really good job and you want to show them how you can make money for them, which is, again, 10 times more important than where you went to law school. And I'll end on this. If I'm sitting down interviewing two people, one went to Yale and the other person went to the University of Puerto Rico, which I think is the lowest rated law school in the country that actually gets accepted, or that's ABA approved. If I had those two people in front of me, and the student from Puerto Rico had good grades, I was comfortable with that person, and knew how to sell and did the things that I'm describing in this video, and the Yale law student came in and said, I went to Yale, I have good grades, I will hire that Puerto Rico law student every day of the week and twice on Sunday, because that person has gumption. That person has done the research and the work, and that person is going to make me way more money and take care of my clients better than the dude from Yale who skates by on the fact that he went to Yale and got some good grades, okay? And I am not alone. I know lots and lots and lots of other law firm owners all over the United States. I would venture to say the vast majority of them would rather take that student from Puerto Rico if they have gumption and can show this is exactly how I'm going to make you money, because again, 10 times more important than where you went to law school. Okay, hopefully you can use this. Again, message me if you want to learn these skills and want to figure out how to do that, and I can give you resources for that. And until next time, I really appreciate it.